Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on gas. After breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, now the price line of gas is getting accumulated above the resistance of this falling wedge. And we will also take a look at this rising wedge pattern. You can see that it is completely rejected by the resistance and moving down to test the support of this wedge on the daily time frame chart once again. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of gas that I shared a few days back on 30th of January with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that gas token formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a very powerful pump. First, it started this reversal move from here, and after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down, and then we had another pump, and that was by the way more than 240%. Very powerful pump. And before that, I shared this idea that was another harmonic bullish reversal move. This was, by the way, a Gartley pattern, a bullish reversal Gartley pattern that I shared in the month of March 2022. And this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair on the 2 hour, not the 2 hour, on the 12-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 24% pump on this 12-hour time frame chart. Now, let me to take you back to this weekly time frame chart. And this is a very big falling wedge pattern and a very huge development, a bullish development on the weekly time frame chart that we are watching. That gas token has broken out this falling wedge finally after a very long time. You can see it was entered the wedge here when it found the resistance in the month of April 2021, and even after several attempts, it could not break out this resistance. And every time it was getting rejected by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. This time, you can see we had a nice rally, we had a very big spike, and now the price line is above the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. By the way, from this low of November 2022 up till this high, you can see that it rallied more than 380%. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then this was the rising wedge pattern that we were watching in my previous video as well. And you can see we had a powerful attempt to break it out, but the price line could not break it out, re-entered the same wedge. And after getting bounced, you can see we got two more rejections, and now the price line is going back to test the support of this rising wedge pattern. The critical situation over here is that we are testing the support more than the resistance. That is another signal that the price line may break down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And this pattern is also considered as a bearish bias. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.90. And in that situation, the price line can uh, even re-enter this previous rising wedge pattern. In my point of view, it is possible that after breaking down this rising wedge pattern, the price line may test this support here at somewhere $2.70, and then it may start the next reversal move, or it may have some more price accumulation from here. And for example, if it breaks out the resistance of the rising wedge pattern, there is also a possibility for the breakout because we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the bigger time frame. Then after the breakout, the target can be here. That will be approximately at $8.65. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this big breakout that has happened on the weekly time frame chart, then the final target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.